Hello everybody. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox high usage. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox high usage, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will enter to this window of Roblox. Here in this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Then we go to click storage. After that, we click clear cache. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.